Amapiano to the world. It's more than just a sound, it's a movement.
Amapiano, the South African sound taking over the world, global impact explained. Imagine a genre of music that blends the soul of Africa with global pop culture. A sound so infectious that it's taking over clubs and airwaves worldwide. Today, we are diving into the rise of Amapiano, South Africa's gift to the world. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Amapiano went from the streets of Johannesburg to global domination, reshaping the future of music. Amapiano is a genre that originated in South Africa around the mid-2010s. It's a fusion of deep house, jazz, and traditional South African music. But it's more than just a genre, it's a cultural movement. Musical characteristics: piano-led beats with smooth, catchy bass lines. Use of log drums, synths, and jazz influences. Its roots in Kwaito, a genre popular in the 1990s. Now one of the big questions is, why it's special? Unlike other electronic music genres, Amapiano incorporates live instrumentation, making it deeply rooted in African heritage. Amapiano's rise in South Africa. The genre started in the early 2015s, in townships, mostly in Johannesburg and Pretoria, where local producers blended traditional sounds with house beats. The genre started in townships, mostly in Johannesburg and Pretoria, where local producers blended traditional sounds with house beats. By 2018, Amapiano became a national sensation, even reaching the mainstream radio waves of South Africa. But it wasn't just staying there. Around 2019 to 2020, Amapiano began spreading across Africa, with artists from Nigeria, Kenya, and other African countries incorporating its sound into their music. In 2020, artists like Burna Boy, Wizkid, and DJ Maphorisa began collaborating with Amapiano producers, elevating the genre beyond Africa's borders. Platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Apple Music were vital in spreading Amapiano worldwide, especially with viral challenges and music videos. Amapiano's infectious beats became the perfect fit for collaborations with genres like Afrobeat, trap, and even pop music. The key artists who shaped Amapiano's global impact: DJ Maphorisa and Kabza De Small, the kings of Amapiano, often called the pioneers of the genre, brought it to mainstream success. Focalistic, known for blending Amapiano with Afrobeat and rap, Focalistic's hit "Kusta" became an international anthem. Calvin Momo, who blends jazz, soulful house, and Amapiano. Shasha, the queen of Amapiano, with her silky vocals, Shasha brought a soulful touch to the genre. Other popular artists: Damthuda, Zinga, Dalewanga, MFR Souls. Now a quick twist: while these are the big names, Amapiano has an entire underground scene of local artists and producers fueling the movement. Some are just getting started, and they're bringing fresh sounds to the global stage. Amapiano's influence on global music trends. Collaborations with international stars. From Drake's co-sign to Major Lazer and Uncle Waffles embracing the genre, Amapiano's influence on pop, hip-hop, and even Latin music is undeniable. Examples: Drake's One Dance and South African influences. Amapiano influenced remixes in the UK and Europe. Influence on dance culture. Amapiano dance moves, like the Amapiano dance and Gwara Gwara, have become globally recognized, thanks to social media platforms like TikTok. Impact on club music. Globally, Amapiano is reshaping nightlife scenes, especially in Europe, where it's merging with deep house and electronic beats. Another major question is, what's next for Amapiano? The future. The global appeal of Amapiano continues to grow, with Amapiano producers now collaborating with artists from the US, UK, and other countries. But will it retain its roots in South Africa? Innovation and evolution. As the genre evolves, producers are blending new sounds into Amapiano, experimenting with genres like trap, EDM, and Latin music. Amapiano's potential to reshape the global music landscape. Could Amapiano be the next global genre to dominate pop culture, much like hip-hop and reggaeton? Amapiano's journey from local South African beats to global takeover is a testament to how powerful and unifying music can be. It's more than just a sound, it's a cultural movement that's transforming the global music landscape. With its infectious rhythms, catchy melodies, and cultural richness, Amapiano has forever changed the way we experience music. And the best part? It's just getting started. If you love learning about the global impact of Amapiano, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Let's keep spreading the Amapiano love. Now here are some popular Amapiano tracks. DJ Mafaraisa and Kabza De Small, Foyaisa. Focalistic, Costa. Shaw Shaw, Tender Love. Major League DJ Z, piano version. Damthuda, Shisha.